It's inevitable, of course. We're all going to age, but we don't have to sit back and take it. There are ways we can combat looking older that don't include surgery. Joining us is Dr. Elizabeth Rostan from Charlotte Skin and Laser. Dr. Rostan, it's great to see you.
Good morning.
Thank you so much for coming today.
Absolutely.
Talk a little bit about the aging process. I mean, as we get older, we know that things start to happen with our faces and we start sagging and getting that tired look.
Sun damage can happen to the skin and you'll get wrinkles as well as brown marks and red marks. We also lose volume in our face as we age, and it's actually that volume loss that leads most to sagging along the jawline and deep chin areas. We also get wrinkles from lines of muscle movement, where we move our brows and our smile lines, hopefully a lot of smile lines,
yes,
and other areas, and all these contribute to lines and wrinkles on the face, as well as what is known as a sagging skin, but it's not just gravity. It's that loss of volume in the skin.
Right, that's what happens to us as we get older. So you like to do something you call the 3 R's to sort of reduce the appearance of aging. And the first one is sort of relaxing the lines.
Exactly. So I mentioned the lines of muscle movement, such as the curves between the brows or in the forehead. And we can use neuromuscular relaxers such as Botox to relax those lines. And that's something that patients want to keep up, usually every 3 to 4 months. So not only does it treat the lines that's there, it's preventative, because if you're not moving these lines, then they're not creating lines on your face. They're not creating wrinkles.
Okay. You talked to you about volume, how we lose volume as we get older. How do you get it back?
Well, we can restore volume using facial fillers. Many of you may have heard about Juvederm and Restylane and Sculptra as a full facial volume replacement. We use it along the jawline, in the temple area, the lateral cheek, and even under the eye to restore volume that we've lost. It can lift the cheek and give you a tighter jawline and create a smoother look in the nasolabial folds.
Can you talk here, Dr. Rostan?
Yeah,
you have some before and after pictures of one of your patients.
This is a patient, and the before was actually taken in 2007, and the photo on the right is the after photo. It was taken very recently. What we've done in this patient is restore some volume along her jawline and cheek, and we've also relaxed lines of muscle movement between her brows. And we have a candid photo of her coming up that just shows you it creates a very natural look. So at Charlotte Skin and Laser, what we try to do is make sure everything happens gradually, naturally, and recreating a youthful appearance. Even just this morning, someone said, "Thank you, Dr. Rostan. Everyone says I look so good, and they think it's because I've retired." And it's really because we've restored the volume in her face.
And it's not that overdone look. I should say you have a wonderful reputation. She happens to be my dermatologist.
Oh, thank you, Colleen.
Yes, and you have a great reputation. People don't even know I see you, and they go, "Oh, go to Dr. Rostan because she's an artist." That's what everyone says.
That is what I'm called.
Yes.
But it is about art, recreating kind of a natural appearance. So it's not shocking to the people in your bunko group or your Wednesday night group or the carpool line. And this woman here, the before picture was actually in 2004. And so it's interesting when you look at photos over time. This is a woman who actually looks much more youthful. And so even though close to 6 or 7 years have passed, and there's a candid shot of her, she's retained volume in her face. We've done nothing surgical. Just simply maintained with the 3 R's, relaxing lines of muscle movement, restoring facial volume, and we actually did some skin rejuvenation in her. So we did some laser treatments to remove the sun damage and to smooth out some of the wrinkles that were there.
So that's what rejuvenation is, using a laser?
Well, actually, rejuvenation can mean a lot of things, and for a younger patient, it might be something as simple as getting them on a routine skin care to maintain their skin. It might mean chemical peels, and for some patients it might mean some light laser treatments or even more aggressive laser treatments if there's a lot of wrinkles.
It's amazing what can be done.
Of course, you don't need anything.
Well,
right.
I was going to say, I'm one big before picture. If we zoom in tight, we can show everything that's wrong. Yeah. CharlotteSkinandLaser.com is the website, CharlotteSkinandLaser.com. And by the way, Charlotte Skin and Laser has a special offer for Charlotte Today viewers right now. If you call today, you can schedule a free skincare consultation. If you call today, it's a $75 value. The number to call, it is there on your screen, 704 704-333-9113. I will say it again, so get a piece of paper, get a pen or pencil, kids' crayon, whatever it is. 704-333-9113. I know you have a new office, too. Where are you located?
We are right on Providence Road, near the hospital area, so near Uptown.
Dr. Elizabeth Rostan, thank you so much.
Thanks, Colleen. I appreciate it.
It's great to see you.
Absolutely.
Next time I'll see you in the office.
Of course.